How to apply for student finance Zakat step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance Zakat. Step 1. Determine eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet the necessary criteria for receiving Zakat. Generally, Zakat is given to individuals who cannot afford their education expenses and come from financially disadvantaged backgrounds. Check if you fall under the zakat-eligible categories: poor, needy, debt-ridden, etc. Your household income is below the threshold set by the Zakat organization. Step 2. Research Zakat institutions. Find trustworthy Zakat organizations or educational foundations that offer student finance support. Some popular Zakat organizations include local mosques or Islamic centers, national Zakat foundations or charities. Example: Zakat Foundation of America, National Zakat Foundation. Specific educational charities that fund students' tuition through Zakat. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare the following essential documents before beginning the application: proof of income, example, payslips, bank statements, identification documents, example, passport, ID card, school or university acceptance letter, proof of tuition cost, example, invoice from the educational institution, a personal statement explaining why you are seeking Zakat assistance. Step 4. Fill out the Zakat application form. Visit the official website of the Zakat organization or contact them directly to request an application form. Complete the application form by providing accurate information about your financial situation, educational needs, and background. Be honest and thorough with all details, as Zakat distribution is done with integrity to ensure the most deserving students receive support. And before we proceed, in order for you to be a deserving student, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Submit the application. Once you have filled out the form and attached the required documents, submit the application either online, via email, or through the website, or in person at the Zakat organization. Make sure to double-check all fields and attachments before submission to avoid delays. Step 6. Follow up. After submitting your application, it is a good idea to follow up with the Zakat organization. You can send a polite email or call to confirm that they have received your application and inquire about the review timeline. Step 7. Wait for approval. Zakat organizations usually take some time to review applications and assess eligibility. If your application is approved, they will notify you and arrange for the transfer of funds directly to your educational institution or provide you with a check. Step 8. Use the funds appropriately. Once approved, ensure that the Zakat funds are used solely for educational purposes, such as paying tuition fees, buying textbooks, or covering related academic expenses. And that's it. You have now taken the first step toward unlocking the incredible gift of education through the power of Zakat. Remember, the journey of learning is a sacred one, and when you seek help with the right intentions, the universe has a way of opening doors you never imagined. As the great poet Rumi once said, "What you seek is seeking you." So keep moving forward with hope, and trust that support you need will come at the perfect time. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dreams are valid. Your future is bright, and every obstacle is just an opportunity for growth. Keep believing in the magic within you. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiring content, and share this guide with someone who might need it. Let's help each other grow. Comment below with any questions or your own journey to receiving student finance support. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay blessed and keep shining. You've got this.